As the half-watt public safety BDA solution in the Nextivity Shield family, the Shield Solo is a complete code-compliant ERCES in-building public safety solution. Shield Solo is designed to be installed quickly and easily, and with automated uplink and downlink gain settings for public safety channels, it's virtually foolproof, ensuring no interference of critical first responder communications. This low-power emergency radio communication enhancement system features an integrated remote annunciator, support for 700 MHz and 800 MHz simultaneously, and quick integration as well as remote management using the Nextivity Wave software portal and apps. Shield Solo is a Class B device but can be converted to Class A at no extra charge. It is compatible with the active Nextivity Smart Server antenna. Shield Solo, like the popular Nextivity Cell 5 family of cellular coverage solutions, takes advantage of the years of proprietary knowledge, patented designs and processes, and trade secrets that together we call IntelliBoost. Beyond code compliance, the Nextivity IntelliBoost technology built into Shield Solo delivers real-world advantages. In addition to the automatic setup that supports our no-noise guarantee, Nextivity has the industry's most robust solution to combat near-far effect. We make sure everyone is heard loud and clear. Another unique Nextivity-only feature is our talk-out guarantee. We have the industry's first uplink test that uses consumer radios. This speeds the time to obtain certificates of occupancy because you can perform a grid test and verify the system before it is live on the network. Shield Solo is available for installation by expert Nextivity partners who are supported by best-in-class tools and accessories designed to speed up and optimize deployments. Compass XR performs a site survey grid test for both public safety and cellular coverage at the same time to identify gaps and is also used later for coverage verification. Wave software supports commissioning, system health monitoring, and proof of operation, as well as remote configuration and optimization. For more information about Shield Solo or other Nextivity solutions, visit us on the web at www.nextivityinc.com. Nextivity, smarter by design.